like to show you is how to replace a picture or a frame with a picture with a brand new picture. Okay, so we're going to take this family and we're going to place it in this frame where that gentleman is kind of occupying there, and so we'll replace him with them. Okay, the first thing we want to do, of course, is make sure that, well, first of all, let's go to layers, and you notice that it's locked. So I'm going to go ahead and unlock it just to prep it for editing. And then what I'm going to do is measure the size of the image, and you can see the size. Well, I've got about 1,000 by 1,000. Okay, that's good enough. Let's go to the family, and this one is rather large, so let's go to image size, and you'll notice that it's way large. So I'm going to choose, let's choose 1100. Okay, height, well, actually, maybe let's choose 1300. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, so let's go ahead and we shrunk it a little bit. We're going to select all, and we're going to copy it, and then we're going to put it into the same uh, layer window as this image right here with the portrait with the frame. So let's go ahead and paste it in there. All right, and then what I normally do is I kind of I'm going to center this, and then what I will do is I will go ahead and lower the opacity of the family here and see where they are. And as you can see, it's just too big. Okay, so the face is too big. So there's a couple of things. I notice that the mom's face is barely showing and the dad's face is not showing at all. But you notice that I've got a little bit of wiggle room here. Okay, so with this layer selected, I'm going to go ahead and edit. I'm going to do free transform. And I'm going to shrink it a little bit. And that right there might work. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and work with what we have right now. So I am going to put this back at 100% opacity. I'm going to move the layer that I want to replace with the layer that down below. Selecting layer 0 with the frame, I'm going to go ahead and create the layer mask. There it is right there. Now comes a little challenging part. Okay, so this is going to take a little bit of work. And I'm going to select the elliptical marquee tool, and I'm going to go ahead and make a nice little circle here. Do the best that I can. It might take you a couple of tries. And as you can see, it's not perfect because the edges, there's some edges right here that are not really covering the entire thing. So I'm going to center it best as I can. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to select, modify, expand. Select, modify, expand, and I'm going to go expand this selection, and let's say 5. Now look at that, the circle went bigger. See that? It got bigger. All right, so now what I'm going to do, okay, once again, we've got the area selected, we've got the layer mask selected with the white lines, and now with the black color here selected, I'm going to go ahead and choose the paint bucket tool, and I'm going to paint over it. Look at that, there's the family. That looks pretty darn good.